In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use substitute function in Google Sheets. This is a simple but powerful way to replace specific text inside a cell without manually editing each entry. If you've ever needed to clean up labels, fix repeated typos, or strip out unwanted characters, substitute will save you time and keep your data consistent. First, identify the source cell that contains the text you want to modify. For example, if your text is in A1, click that cell so you know exactly what you're working with. It helps to glance at the text and note any spaces or punctuation because substitute looks for an exact match. Next, define the old text, the exact word, phrase, or character you want to remove or change. Be precise here. Substitute is case sensitive, so apple and apple are different and extra spaces matter. If the text includes leading or trailing spaces, make sure you include those in the match if that's what you intend to replace. Then decide on the new text you want to put in its place. This can be any string, including symbols or numbers. If your goal is to remove the old text entirely, use 2 double quotes with nothing between them. That tells Google Sheets to replace the old text with nothing, effectively deleting it wherever it appears. Now enter the formula in an empty cell where you want the result to appear. Type exactly X, substitute A1, old, new. Replace A1 with your actual cell reference, replace old with the exact text you want to change, and replace new with your desired text. Press enter and you'll see the modified version of the original text. If you used empty quotes for the new text, the old text will be removed from the result. You can then copy this formula down a column to handle multiple rows, and it will adjust the cell reference automatically. A few quick tips to keep your results accurate. By default, substitute replaces every occurrence of the specified text within the cell, not just the first one. If nothing changes after you press enter, double check that your old text matches exactly, including capitalization and spaces. Also remember that your result is a formula output. It doesn't alter the original cell unless you choose to replace it intentionally. That's all you need to confidently use the substitute function in Google Sheets. Identify your source cell, define the old text, define the new text, and enter the formula. With careful attention to exact matches and a clear target, you'll clean up your data fast and accurately.